Do you want the features of the Android operating system combined with the looks and feel of an iPhone? It is possible to make Android look like iOS by using a combination of apps, launchers, and other tips and tricks. But what if I tell you that you can make any Android smartphone look like an iPhone by just installing one single app? Yes, you heard it right. There are some really enthusiastic people out there who want to try this, and that's exactly why in this video I'm going to show how you can make any Android smartphone look exactly like an iPhone. Excited? So let's get started. So to get the iPhone look, you just need to install an app called Launcher OS 15, and this app has been officially updated to match the features of latest iOS 15. So let's start with the home screen. The moment I installed this app, I was quite surprised how accurate the home screen looks as compared to the home screen of an iPhone. You will find all the apps arranged, including built-in and the downloaded ones. The home screen also contains the iPhone dock or the bottom application bar, which provide access to some of the most important and resourceful apps. Another useful feature that Launcher OS 15 brings to the table is the control center. You can access the control center by swiping down the screen from the upper right corner. It will provide you access to tools such as location, alarm, battery saving mode, calculator, screen recorder, etc. From here you can also toggle the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode and mobile data. You also get the iOS notification center where all the apps notification and updates are displayed. You can access it by swiping down the upper left corner of the screen. The lock screen is also precisely the same with the time, date and date displayed, followed by all the notifications. To unlock the phone, you will have to swipe up from the bottom of your device before entering your password, or you can use the fingerprint scanner. Thus, not only does the app offers feature but also a similar experience. Now before we move forward, if you are liking this video, I would highly appreciate if you guys can drop a like, as it will help this video to reach a wider audience. Now, as you might know, widgets and app library has been recently added in iOS due to the high demand of users. This has drastically improved the iOS experience, and you will also be getting these features with the Launcher OS 15. You can access the widgets on your iPhone by swiping left to right on the device. The Launcher OS 15 provides the latest widget design, including functionality and transparency. It also offers more space-rich content to ensure widget remains helpful. It will let you add widgets to nearly every app like date and time, calendar, widget forecast, reminders, etc. It also provides the Spotlight search feature that instantly lets you find whatever you are searching for, but it is not as accurate as the original one. But it gets the job done, for which a big thumbs up to the developer. Previously we did not had an app drawer on iOS, but with the introduction of app library feature, Apple has solved the app management issue. And I was seriously shocked that you will be getting this feature too with Launcher OS 15. You can easily access the app library by swiping right to the left through all the pages of the home screen till you reach its end. The benefit of the app library is a smart organization, where all the installed apps are placed in a separate folder. All the apps are correctly categorized in different folders, including utilities, productivity, health and fitness, entertainment, games, education, etc. You can also search in the app library for any application, providing another view and added convenience if you have too many installed apps and can't find a particular one. If you don't want to keep an app on the home screen, to declutter your home screen and wanted a more transparent look on your iPhone, you can just hide it. This will remove the app from the home screen, but if you want to use it, you can rely on the app library and its search feature to find the application whenever you want. At last we have the OG Assistive Touch, which is one of the most important and popular feature of an iPhone. So if you have a limited hand dexterity, you can use the Assistive Touch to use all the features efficiently, and it comes built in with Launcher OS 15. Furthermore, it's also a convenient tool that saves you the time, effort and energy for performing some menial tasks. Additionally, the Assistive Touch contains all the realistic options you will find on an iPhone, including Notification Center, Device, Favorite, Control Center, Home and Recent. At last, I just want to say that the Launcher OS 15 is an excellent choice for people who want to change their device's appearance from Android to an iPhone. The launcher is an excellent choice since it provides all the major interface features and works exceptionally without the lag to ensure an impeccable experience, and I would highly recommend you to try it. The download link will be in the description down below. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.